Hello, Sean Connell at Energy Wellness, East Doncaster, Melbourne, Australia. Just going to do a quick video on health and what we need to do to stay healthy and be healthy and how we help at the Wellness Centre here. So inflammation is the cause of all pain, loss of energy and disease in the body. So as you can see in this graph here out of the medical textbook, this is inflammation in the body where all the cells are being separated from each other and they're not working together, but more importantly, they can't get oxygen and nutrition from the bloodstream, so they degenerate and die. So obviously we want to be here where the body, all the cells are together, communicating together and getting oxygen and nutrition from the bloodstream. So at the Wellness Centre, the only way to remove that inflammation is through the lymphatic system. So as a lymphologist, I'm going to teach you all the ways to activate that lymphatic system, draining away that inflammation and acidic out of the body and allowing the body to regenerate and heal itself. So at the centre here, what we have is 5 medical machines that we work on you all at once in 30 minutes. You just lay down for half an hour, relax. A lot of people fall asleep. It is equivalent to a 2-hour walk. So you're exercising while you're laying down, which is a big bonus. So what we have here is, one's a chi machine. So that's a medical device for lymphedema. So it removes the inflammation out of the body. We have the hothouses. So you've got 3 hothouses on you while you're just lying down and relaxing. So they use infrared rays. So that's the energy from the sun that we need. Penetrates very deep into the body, activating all the meridians. So it's good as acupuncture without the needles, removing all the inflammation out of the body as well. Germany have proven that when you get to this temperature, you kill cancer and the viruses and bad things that are not wanted in the body. The other device we use is e-power. So that's a medical device for osteo, bone fractures, all the arthritises. It'll actually turn the cells on in the body to the energy level that they're supposed to. So the oxygen, nutrition can get in and the waste can get out and the cell can regenerate and heal. So if you do the right things, every year you have a new body, it can regenerate. So that's the secret to life, regeneration. Remove the inflammation, get the oxygen and nutrition in, and your body will love you and regenerate. So come into Energy Wellness and have a go in the energy bed with the 5 medical machines working on you all at once. I do a free 10-minute consultation, just seeing if we like each other and we can work together. If not, you can leave. All right. Thank you very much. Talk soon.